Hey everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is a impossibly easy cheeseburger pie. This is from allrecipes.com, and my mom made it allergy friendly. So we're going to put a link to the original recipe in the description box below if you want to give it a try. But it was delicious, and my mom dropped me some cheese because she knows I love cheese, and I was very happy. So if you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
All right, everyone. Happy Monday. As Yoda said, we are making an impossibly easy cheeseburger pie that we got from allrecipes.com. So we're going to heat up and brown a pound of ground meat. We're using venison, and then 1 chopped up onion. So this is frozen chopped onion. So I'm going to just put it all in there together since it's all frozen into the microwave and heat it up that way. Brown it that way. And then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so the next step, we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's on its way up. And then we're going to whisk together in a bowl. We're using gluten-free Bisquick, but you need Bisquick. So if you don't need gluten-free, use regular, but it's half a cup. So half a cup of Bisquick, 2 eggs. So for me, I'm allergic to eggs, so we use just egg from plants. So 3 tablespoons is 1 egg. So I had to do 6 tablespoons for 2 eggs. So those are in there. And then also a cup of milk. Again, I'm allergic to dairy, so we're using coconut milk that's been unsweetened. Using the So Delicious variety, so it's dairy-free. So we whisk that together, it's ready to go. And then we also needed to spray, so we use extra virgin olive oil spray, a 9-inch glass pie dish. So this has been sprayed with EVOO and is ready to go. All right, so you put the drained 1 pound of meat, so we use deer, venison, and onions. You drain them and put them in the bottom of the pie plate that you've already sprayed. So that's what we did. And then you add a half a teaspoon of salt. So we're using Redmond's real salt. Then you're going to pour the Bisquick mixture over the meat. Okay, and then you're gonna add a cup of cheddar cheese. So we're using VioLife vegan cheese. All right, so then you put your cup of cheddar cheese on the top, and then you're gonna put it in your 400-degree oven for 25 minutes until a knife inserted in the center comes out clean. Okay, so it was done, probably, it took longer than 25 minutes, but again, when you have gluten-free stuff, it takes a little bit longer, and dairy-free. So it probably went another, like, 10 minutes and it was good, but we let it go even further. So it's good. All done. Enjoy. Happy Monday.